Hey, heading to Lincoln, well actually the hangar right now. I'm passing by the airport, kind of going around it. Yesterday I changed the oil filter on the Mooney. About 2 years ago I got a tool to split the filter open. This is the tool that I use to cut the top of the filter off so that I could take the filter out and see if there's any metal, see if there's any metal inside or anything like that. It's gonna be a mess. It's kind of like a old pipe cutter, just goes around the top and cuts it off. Works pretty well. When you cut it off, it ends up looking like this. This is the cutoff part. This is where, so the nut's on the bottom, and this is the part that it connects, screws into the engine. So, that's parts of the oil filter. This is the, the inside of the oil filter. So this is another part to throw away. And then what I do is I take these, believe it or not, these tin snips, and I'll do it on the side first. You can kind of see I just take them and I cut two of the splits out at once. There's probably a better way to do this. But I have not yet figured it out. What I found is if you cut too many at once, it's too darn hard. Okay, now let's start to rip this out. Okay, get started. Okay, so then that's what that looks like at the end. It's kind of neat. So as I took this off, if there's anything, I think I left it flat. It should be on, we'll take a look on the inside here. A couple of small, I don't know, call it sand size flecks. But no slivers yet, which is good. And just for the heck of it, I'll check the other side in case I flipped it over. And hopefully it's got the same news. Yeah, this might be the actual filter side because I see a couple more flecks. No slivers though. Slivers are the things that you really don't want to find. And what I found is that if I look at this in the sun, really help see things. Or, because it glints. Good. That's good. I'll take this out. So there's a fleck. Oh, there's a fleck. Couple more you see, but nothing major, nothing like a teaspoon or anything like that, and no slivers. I had a couple of slivers last time, which I didn't care for. This is the other thing I do is take a Ziploc. See, I changed it on 7/4/20. Remember the total time is 668.3.8. And then I'll just keep it, I don't know how long I'll keep these, but I've got a couple of more. I got a couple of more that if I ever want to compare, maybe I'll keep these 2 or 3 back. That same kind of thing. Shows how long I've had them and what's going on with them, if anything. Yeah, so that's one thing I do. The final thing I'll do is I'm going to get an old rag, and I've heard some people say that they squish these things, and all I'm going to do is wrap an old rag around this rag actually, and then put that in the Ziploc. I'm gonna throw this away with my good hand. So then, yeah, this rag is crazy old, but it'll still soak up oil. And then in a couple days I'll look at it again when it's a little more oil free. That's it. A good oil change. Good oil change. Ciao.